Mamo aqua bashrumko eba too much GH so muni aba mosum for na ama owusua eni na sabe minimo edi ehia na tese breaking news happy to dra ewo omayimu ena mede ebesomu na yentie emu ensem reporters abreyenya ewo ahase echrese Franca 24 edima National Democratic Party a ebiemu no wo ye wife of president, former president JJ Rawlings as Abrewenya the baby Mrs. Nana Kunedu Ajiman Rawlings Sabre watching assign Eddie every 2020 elections no emu ne was for munim say 2015 mo no man na say one watching no Eddie free NDC party mo and mo want one party say Sabre no so na just a dear any you bet me aye Eddie abo my Ghana no what they befa won one party so na just we jina as a presidential candidate na no ye to no so ba wa ye Eddie abo wo my no na 2016 no we jina battle no enkonim die entimi amma na fa eno mu eno just we di kra party no ma ama Sabre abedu 2020 battle breath for aso na eba say one more epic forms here registration for our EC office for a year this year 2020 election no ninia no or the no jimu bia te say one also pick forms I would jina here as presidential candidate edema the National Democratic Party NDP no 19 na tese bibia de na kwemu a o train nim say year 2020 7 December battle pre no be so na tese wono so edina na yato no so ba na se de nim no ebre ne nkraba ya de e wonyankopɔ N74 fie anto ata ene nam so emma eye ne ho keni former president JJ Rawlings eto anananom ewo ensedo ye nano ada Thursday ya on the 12th of November na yesusu se eno ene Sabre watna se esusu nyama ahwehwe nyama sana enyama eko sana nikunu etimi efrimu na tese wa dream we ni say abato no se wo gina as a presidential candidate no edema ni party no wontimi ento asubiem na ehu behia say wo betwentwen so kakra na tese wetimi ede are reforming ho are refining ho na tese so obedina biem na say se wo nyina biem na so obejai kra say wo di presidential seat no echibiem no Sabre otimi say ehu and wo susu oninti we to the first step by say what they to EC enim say ene afi 2020 about we one fan who and movie won nyina biem as a presidential candidate no and was say day abeto just say what they go to EC enim na say EC for so age the decision no atum amata say womo no efi presidential race no emu na akami as a shock kakra because akabe say 14 days per na ebre no aso maybe I'm so gonna photo to say with only 14 days to the elections so ka we kwa body nikunu a we na nya say papa mu say we na wa shred na de pa bi nanso ka Ghana for the nyama bi say no de nka ma enko fodoro na di mobro eto aba de favor onipa na ye jano ewo chire ntinka oto ne pass no nya otwe ho kakra po na okoso agina ya nka wan hwe kra na chese nipa anaga na for edina so e de vote am and defend the sympathy vote ni na chese wan hwe kra na afiwe wetimi asakra nyamem na nka wodi enkunim ewo abato nu na se wa ba bonti na wa betwe assign se won nya election bi mne na se de won no chances so na wa cancer na se wakatakata so na so ne nyia mu no ebi mu so ehu ni se yawo koso ewo ni mu wodi yawo na Sabre so enye bra obesiki after ambitions bra ni kuno from ni kuno nka woni na won da yesum ni ate so woni na eche na brabo most of the life woni na tena all of a sudden ni kuno eja na wono no den ra ni pasitem ni ama besisa nti so hu ni se ni kuno ni wo no I can tell a shot of the vision take a few original for presidential candidateship na nunti wo si wo twiasa na no ye ma no kwan wo kunenu nti so wo su a ye ma no kwan ma ni so ne obia na wo akoma na obetimi ede agina ewo ebre sese a chese wo de betina sa pray other ni visions other dreams aka na brabo nti se na na Kunedu Ajiman no amu enum to eno de beto abonten se wo nya ngina bi ma ye agree and as ye respecting the decision no ye ma ne kwan na de ope no wo nya emfa na brabo ehun ni niam no ni office release say ene de ya no wo mo press conference wo mo be release ama press and as a media then no mo dey addressing wo mo members about wo mo decisions wo mo take about wo mo party no ntimi e shop say sa ensem bu amede atomo nim se woche ye ne candidateship no if assign no be piemu e wo mu bi ene biem so be discuss the issues are self going forward dachia ankwama de be si e wo party ni mu de so be dina biem na se wonyina biem nia no wo de betu da e de a survey ye ne members ne fans and as the party faithfuls nti ye nhwe nim se ye press conference ba betu da ne ye tie fi ono aka se ne num and as the office secretary num se de ejina ya wo mu AC je se wo mu e de eko enkan ni aso betu da so sa dia too much GH de be so se na sa bre so dia betu da no ye de aso mo pepepe na make an sa no obo modia a subscribe na ebiem so no wo comment wa dwentre e fa de me da to mo no wo de atodwa e wo ye comment section na wa follow e wo ye Instagram na ye Twitter handles at @toomuchgh_. Facebook also ye wo too much GH nana ama obusu a enemy de na de me na me de breaking news e ba na me adoma ye be san edi ehyiapim makramo
too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaac Odwampo, we betun afem the great tempo. Mbrenbren, won me kan woni hwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH, mu ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too Much GH. Me did akose Japan. E brepi am bese me TV. Me hwe Too Much GH. Omo de mufo. Hey, omo sports and as entertainment. Hey, omo de mufo. Mo koso show mo. No any beji de bia. Me da ma say love you.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane. Bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Wo hu nyame ye no nyame no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Kat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.